My Dogecoin holders, I've got a video for you guys. Today I want to give you a quick update on my opinion on where I think Doge could be headed here, because the market is in a very standstill point. We are seeing some weekend price action, lots of boring, trappy behavior, but getting ready for a potential explosive week. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm maxi. I have another video for you guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, we are looking at the Dogecoin price on the daily time frame, and it does look like we are potentially bottoming out here. This is what I was saying. There's a high likelihood that we do bottom out here, and right now it does seem to be looking like that. We see the curvature. We came down. We broke below two support levels, freak everybody out, make the bulls absolutely go wild, and have some bears open up some shorts. I've closed the majority of my shorts here. The only shorts I really had open was to protect against my spot altcoin positions, but I am expecting a bigger move here, and we have seen a bounce off of this 25-cent price level, and I do see that there's a higher probability to see this continue to the upside, guys. You know, the entire altcoin ecosystem seems dead. It seems like a barren wasteland. Everyone's got wrecked, and Bitcoin's still chopping around near $100,000, getting ready for that next bigger move. Guys, if you want to take advantage of this volatility, check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-in bonus, as well as a 15% off all trading fees for the Live Streamer account. And on top of that, there is a trading competition going on right now. If you sign up right now, you'll be a part of my trading team. And there is a $5.6 million prize pool if we are a winning team. So check out down below. Check that Blowfin link down below. I really want to emphasize here that Dogecoin right now is getting a nice bounce. It's getting a nice bounce. It may not seem like that after we're down what? Let's measure this. What are we down from? I think it's probably going to be like the majority of other altcoins, probably down about 50 to 60% from the cycle high so far. We saw a wick all the way down to about 60%, and right now we are trading at roughly a 43-44% drawdown, which I have to say that is not uncommon to see during phase 3 of bull market cycles. When we see Bitcoin making its way to the upside, and Bitcoin sometimes makes 30% drawdowns, and sometimes altcoins make 60, 70% drawdowns. Usually you don't want to see anything more than, say, 70%, but the strong altcoins only came down really about 60%, which is not surprising at all. We look at Dogecoin sitting at a $40 billion market cap. The cycle high so far was about $66 billion, so we're a few billion down here, but guys, I do think that we should be expecting some relief. We look at the overall market, Bitcoin trading at 97,005. It's been boring weekend price action, which has been kind of new. The past few weeks, honestly, the past few months, this cycle, the weekend price action has been quite explosive. It's been big moves. And before the past few months, usually the norm would be the weekend is boring price action to trap people because the order books were thin. But well, now it seems like we're back to that, where the order books are thin and there's not really much going on right now. This is a long 3-day weekend, but I do expect some fireworks this week, guys. Moving into the third week of February, I expect the low to be in for Bitcoin specifically, and let's just see if that bleeds over into Dogecoin and these other altcoins. We're looking at Bitcoin dominance trading at 59.89%. We exclude stablecoins. We're basically at 62%, so it's pretty significant, but we are slowly starting to break down, seeing Ethereum trade around $2,700, which is nice to see as well. Man, really got to see that be back above 3,000, and in my opinion, until ETH is like back over $4,000, we probably aren't gunning for full-on, full-blown altcoin season, so we need to make our way there. But guys, I really want to emphasize on this that when ETH starts to go, it's going to go. It's going to go. It's going to be very, very quick, and we just have to hope that it doesn't crash the market. We have to hope that it's actually time for altcoin season. And when you look at Bitcoin dominance here, we broke down on this rising wedge. We really just want to stay below this. We really want to get to this level at 59.94%, this blue line, and break below it. We do not want to test it as support. We want to see this come down, maybe get a little bit of a bounce, and then break right down through it. And if we do break down through that, I do expect us to probably be heading towards the low here around 54-55% of Bitcoin dominance, which would indicate that it's probably time to see some alts make some nice gains versus Bitcoin. I do expect it to play out. But really, when you look at Bitcoin here, guys, we are still in I want to show you a different chart here. I want to show you my Bitcoin halvings chart, give you a better idea of what we're looking at here. Here we go. So we are really just, look at this pinched price action, but it is slowly just curving. We're seeing this slowly start to curve, and I do expect us to probably find our way making a move to the upside and testing at the top of this range around $110,000. And I do expect that because there is so much liquidity, billions of dollars of liquidity, of basically shorts to be liquidated if we reach this $110,000 price level, guys. Now, I do want to say also, if you stuck around this far, please go follow me at 333blacksea on Instagram and Twitter. If I can get to 8,000 followers on Twitter in the next 72 hours, I will give one of you guys $1,000. I want to give back to you guys. Maybe you can buy this dip, because I do think that a lot of these altcoins are bottoming out, and we're moving into a phase of this bull market where we're going to see altcoins make some big, big moves. Guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Check out that trading competition below on Blowfin. You get that $5,000 sign bonus and 15% off all trading fees for life to your account. That's all I got. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.